Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can insert image right here in our web page. Very important here. Right, so what I wanted to do, definitely, let's minimize this. If you notice, this is the photo right here, and this is our folder, right? But the next thing I wanted to do, if you want to actually write the image syntax right here. So we're going to start and say img space it src, which stands for source. We're going to put equal. We're going to put a quote right there. Right, you want to make sure to have the name of the image. And notice the name of the image is marked right there. So you want to put then you're going to put a full stop. But then again, I need to know the extension of the file. So you're going to minimize, you're going to put the cursor on the file, you're going to right click, go down to the word property right here, and click. As you can see, the type of file is PNG. Alright, so you're going to close that. We're going to bring up back this. You're going to put PNG right there. Right, I want to put the quote. I want to close it. Just like that. So you want to save it. So you're going to come right up your file and click on the word save. Right, so you're going to minimize it just like that. If you notice this itself, right here, you're going to take this picture. You're going to put it right here back in this page right here, right? So you're going to come right here. Right, you're going to bring it back up. You notice? You're going to right click on this web page right here. And when you right click on it, you're not going to click on the word open. You're going to click on the word open with Google Chrome, right? So now click it with Google Chrome. Notice this is set for the photo. Definitely. If you notice right up here, definitely. So if you notice how big it is, I can actually size it down. If I really want to add another photo in it. But I'm going to do that, right? I'm going to do that. Definitely. Let's bring up like this right here. So I'm going to click right in between here. Right, I'm going to put in the width. Right, and then I'm going to put equal. I'm going to put the quote right there. Right, so I want to put 200 px stand for pixel. Right, you're going to put in back the quote. So right in the quote, you're going to put the height here. Right, you're going to put the equal. Just the same. We're going to put the quote just like that. And what you wanted to do, remember to put the px right here. So you have to go right back in here. So px right here, just like that. Because sometimes you might actually forget completely. So I want to put it right in between here. Alright, let me move back this right here. Let me go back right here. I'm going to put the px right here. Let me see. Let me move this one right here. This shouldn't be right here. Just right there. Alright. So if you notice right here, I'm going to put the 200. Then we're going to put the px right there. Good. That is safe actually stands for pixel. Alright, we're going to put the code just like that. What we want to do, we want to come right up here. We're going to click, we're going to click on save. Alright, we're going to minimize this. We're going to bring up back the web page right here. You notice it haven't changed. When you do something like that, you have to come right here and refresh it. Notice when I refresh it, it's so small it come right here. Very important. What if you want to add insert another photo? Alright, let me minimize that. I'm going to search for a photo right here. Right, so I'm going to actually look for a photo to see if I can actually insert so far. Right, give me right here. Let's go inside this one here and open, look for a photo and next photo that we can actually put on. Alright, let me see if I can find one right inside here. Alright, if you notice, good. So this is the next one right here. I'm going to drag it out like that. We're going to close it. Want to rename it? I'm going to right click. I'm going to go down to rename. Right, I'm going to put brown. And then I press enter. Right, so I'm going to right click again because I want to know the file extension. Right there. Go down to property. Right, and as you can see, it's the same PNG. Alright, so close that now. We're going to bring up like this now. So what I wanted to do, definitely, I can actually copy this, everything right here. I'll copy here from after the bubble extra, and I'm going to paste it right underneath it. Alright, so what I wanted to move, I want to move the word mark right here. I want to put B, which is brown. Alright, if you notice, that's what it named. PNG can see that's exactly what it actually be like. Right, so what I wanted to do, come right up here and click on save. Now I'm going to minimize, I'm going to take this right here and put in the folder. Right, I'm going to bring back up now. Alright, so what I wanted to do, to refresh it, notice, and there you go. And this is the next one. You can actually increase the photo them as much as you want. Alright, you can increase it, I can decrease it. Alright, so what if I move the 200 right here? So what if I come right here and move the 2, I'm going to put 1. Each one of them, come right here. 2, I'm going to put 1. I'm going to save it. Just like that. And then I'm going to minimize it. Right, so I want to look exactly. Alright, let's bring it back up. So we're going to refresh it. Alright, you notice how small this them become. Alright, definitely. I'm going to bring it back up again. I'm going to increase them. Alright, so I can actually move the 100. I'm going to put 300 instead. Right here. Put 300. We're going to click right here. Save. Alright, so we're going to bring up on the page here. We're going to click on refresh. You notice how big it come up? Yes, definitely. So this is one of the way you can actually insert image right here in your web page, HTML web page. So hope you have learned something from this particular video. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.